27-year-old Meera, a reserved yet hopeful woman, dreams of a love-filled marriage. Pressured by her family, she marries Aryan, a charming but mysterious man she barely knows. Little does she realize that her decision will take her on an emotional roller coaster, challenging her understanding of love, trust, and self-worth. Meera, a schoolteacher, is introduced to Aryan by a family friend. Aryan's charisma and respectful demeanor win over Meera and her family. Despite initial hesitations, Meera agrees to marry him after hearing his heartfelt promises of love and support. A grand yet traditional wedding marks the beginning of their union. The couple enjoys a honeymoon phase filled with laughter, surprises, and whispered promises. Meera begins to fall in love with Aryan, believing she made the right choice. Aryan's behavior changes a month after the wedding. Late nights at work, unexplained calls, and a growing emotional distance unsettle Meera. She brushes off her doubts, thinking she's overthinking. Meera finds a series of messages on Aryan's phone from a woman named Rhea, revealing an emotional and physical affair. Heartbroken, she confronts Aryan, who admits to knowing Rhea before their marriage. He claims it's over, begging for forgiveness. Meera is torn between her love for Aryan and the betrayal she feels. Meera tries to forgive Aryan, hoping to rebuild their relationship. Aryan showers her with gifts and affection, but his behavior remains inconsistent. Meera begins to lose herself, questioning her worth and choices. Meera discovers that Aryan has not ended his affair with Rhea. She learns that Aryan married her under family pressure, never intending to be faithful. Devastated, Meera confides in her best friend Isha, who encourages her to prioritize her happiness. Meera decides to leave Aryan, despite societal pressure to save her marriage. She moves back to her parents' house, where she begins to rebuild her life. Aryan tries to win her back, but Meera stands firm, realizing she deserves better. Meera starts focusing on her career, taking up a teaching position in a new city. She finds solace in her independence and begins to rediscover her passions. Meera meets Kabir, a kind and supportive colleague who restores her faith in love. Aryan reaches out to Meera, apologizing for his mistakes and seeking closure. Meera forgives him, not for his sake, but to free herself from the bitterness. She realizes that her journey, though painful, has made her stronger and wiser. Meera and Kabir's friendship blossoms into a genuine